What? That is insane. Let's talk about the Max Lens Media Mod. Hey guys, Chris from Stoked for Travel here, welcome back to the channel. Now before I get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any video goodness. Now today we're going to be talking through one of my favorite new GoPro accessories, the new Max Lens Mod. We're going to talk about what it does, how to install it, and what creative options it opens up for your new Hero 9 Black. So yeah, if you're thinking about investing in the new Max Lens Mod, here's everything you need to know. So first things first, what is the Max Lens Mod? Well, if you haven't already heard of the Max Lens Mod, it's one of the latest accessories specifically for the GoPro Hero 9 Black. To put it in a nutshell, it's a lens replacement which boosts the field of vision to 155 degrees, so super wide angle lens, and also unlocks features such as horizon leveling, both of which we're going to talk through in much more detail later on in the video, and also heaps of video examples too. At the moment it retails at $99 US or $69.99 if you've got the GoPro subscription, which also unlocks the discounts on the Hero 9 Black as well, so it's definitely one to look into. So yeah, I'm going to run through everything you need to know about installing it, how to use it, the creative options it unlocks, and whether I think it's worth the upgrade. So yeah, let's get started. So as a hardware attachment, the first thing we need to do is get your Max Lens Mod onto your Hero 9 and then we can start shooting. So the first thing you need to do is detach the lens from your Hero 9. That can be just done with a firm twist to the right, and that one pops off quite simply like that. You can then take off the bottom bit of silicone off your Max Lens Mod, and then that acts as a really nice little case for that lens as well, so you can just pop it in there and keep it nice and safe. Then what we need to do is align these grooves here with the grooves on the Hero 9. As you can see, that's it, it's in nice and flush. You can twist it to the right, and then as you can see, it's all nicely attached and ready to go. And then that's your Max Lens Mod there. Now before we start shooting again, what you need to do is boot up the camera, and then we need to go into the software and make sure everything's enabled. As you can see here, you've got the full fish eye view straight off the bat, so you want to unlock that, and then to put it into Max Lens Mod, swipe down and hit that Max Lens Mod icon in the corner. Once that's done, you'll get a nice little message that says Max Lens Mode enabled, and that will be ready to shoot. Now if you want to get the horizon leveling all set up, which is obviously one of the main things we're using the Max Lens for, you want to hit this button in the bottom corner, and horizon leveling is now on. So yeah, that's all you need to do to get your Max Lens Mod all set up, ready to shoot, and we're good to go. So now we've got your Max Lens Mod all installed, let's talk through the features and benefits of it. Now, the first thing you'll notice is the Max Lens Mod opens up Max Lens Super View as well, which is a full 155 degrees of vision, which allows you to suck in all that background of your shot, which is great for vloggers and travelers, anyone looking to take an epic selfie as well. But by far the most useful feature of the Max Lens Mod, and one of the main reasons I'd encourage people to upgrade to the GoPro Hero 9 Black, is the horizon leveling feature. And then when you've got your Max Lens Mod installed and everything's turned on correctly with that super view and horizon leveling, it's now not going to matter how much you move yourself around the camera. So as you can see, I'm moving my arms, the camera's now completely upside down on its side, and everything levels out nice and steady. Now one of the advantages of this is going to allow you to capture a whole heap of new action and motion in your shots, so things like surfing, mountain biking, skateboarding, all going to give you a completely new perspective on the movement involved in your shot. Now for vloggers as well, this means you can walk and talk, you can turn around, you can spin the camera on its side for a vertical shot, and it's just going to keep everything nice and level. Even if you fling the whole thing around your head, boom, it's going to bring itself back nice and level for the shot as well. Now alongside this, you can also orientation lock it to vertical, so you can have the camera on the side, and this is great for Instagram or TikTok and things like that, and then do live streaming features on the social media side of things. So yeah, the Max Lens Mod opens up that super steady horizon. I'm going to overlay some shots so you can see what happens when I do the same motions without the Max Lens Mod and horizon leveling, which is going to give you more of an example of what this baby can do. So yeah, horizon leveling, one of the best new features of the Hero 9 and the Max Lens Media Mod. And there you have it, guys. That's my full guide to the new GoPro Max Lens Mod for the Hero 9 Black. Now, if you have any questions about using the Hero 9 Black or the Max Lens Mod, make sure you add them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. If you want to read my full written guide to the Max Lens Mod, whether you should upgrade to the Hero 9 or all my GoPro guides, make sure you check out the links in the description below. That's it for this week, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next week. Phew!